Y'all already know what it is, man. After it just rained, come out, go dig somewhere in the backyard. Come on, man. It's my favorite time, though. I be chilling back here, though. Cap in my little bucket. You feel me? So, yeah.
To me on the side like when we going home, oh right, if you don't.
What's good, y'all? As y'all can see, I'm out here in my backyard digging up worms. So you can see this one right there. He trying to wiggle away and stuff. Got a few in the cup already. Hey, he trying to get out, man. Chill, twin. But yeah, man, it's a little one. But just out here trying to find worms. All I'm doing is digging straight up out of the ground under this tree. I tried worm grunt before, but I ain't really got no sticks. You feel me? I had to go find something at my grandmother's house. But yeah, I have to dig again. Finna show y'all exactly all I'm doing. What I'm doing, I got a tree in my backyard, so go up under this tree. It just rained yesterday, so it's the perfect time. Grass not too hard. I mean, not you feel me? It's not too hard, not too soft. It's perfect. Sun out. It's a perfect day to look for worms. That's all I'm doing. Get the shovel. Pick through just like that. Look at this. It's a worm right here. I don't know if I can even see it, but just like that. In the cup. Oh, I got 2 in there. About 5. Oh, about 4. But just keep going. See little holes in there like that. It could be anything. Might find you some better bait, but that's all I be doing. Oh, it's one trying to get away. Big one. Well, I ain't even big, but he was trying to get away. Like, why would you want to go to the store and get bait when you can just go in your backyard and there's bait over here, bro? Come on, man. It's the best way. Plus, come on, now just getting closer to the earth. Why not? You feel me? That's a good little patch right here. I wouldn't be surprised I see this one right now, man. Gotta be something in this. If y'all see something down below and that I missed, please let me know, because I'm gonna have a fit. There's one right here too. Bro. I wonder if there are like worm lovers out there that's like, bro, you can't be just using this for bait, bro. You're messing up their homes. Bro, I'm sorry, bro. Like, I don't even mean anything by it. It's a life circle. Like, I'm just helping life go around. Oh, it was like 2 little babies in here. Something like that. I probably can't use them for bait. You know what I mean? I literally let these go. If they small, bro, I'm letting them go, bro. If I can't use them for bait, can't use them. I mean, I can, but ain't no big bluegill going to fight them. You feel me? So, not for real. But yeah, bro, that's all I do. Like, and it's gonna keep raining, so I after this, just leave the spot just like this, or put a wooden board, so every time it rain or something, they just pile up at this spot. I need mosquitoes turn out, so see if I can find a few more. I need to put no good soil. This is good soil right here. I got another cup. It's just full of soil. No worms, full of soil. I'm finna plant some stuff. So, I'm also out here trying to get some good soil. Man, come on, man. Why you trying to get away, dog? Alright, I'm gonna put some soil in here for y'all, but I ain't even gonna do y'all like that. It's cool. Y'all see how they just start coming out by themselves? Man, I love this shit. This shit's so easy. It's all you gotta do. And I be trying to make sure I don't, you feel me, break them in half. I be trying to get the biggest ones I freaking can, bro. You might as well come out, my boy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Right to the cook. There's another one over here. Long, skinny one. Pause. Yeah. Know there's some more somewhere. Let me know if y'all see some right now. Yeah, I see that. Boom. One right there. Small one. I'm telling y'all, bro. Hold them down, gravity. They gonna fall towards gravity, my boy. Show them upside down. Come on, man. And I know it's at least, that's 2 more in here.